traders. In today's video I will talk about my live trading signal that I published, and I made a video about it, and it was all about a $100 account that I decided to trade on, and I decided to trade with all the rules that I established in my EAs and in my strategies. And so I decided that I will trade with the best risk management system that I know, and all the great stuff that I talk about in my videos. Now, of course, it wasn't that easy, and it is because it is a $100 account, and it is not the easiest thing to trade on a small account. And you might know that almost all traders blew their account over and over again when they start with a small account. But to trade with a small account and actually grow it, now that is some really difficult stuff. Most traders, most YouTube traders, or just traders in general, actually say that it is quite impossible. So this is why I decided to take the challenge. One of the key reasons why it is so difficult to trade with a small account is because even the 0.01 lot size is too huge to trade with on a $100 account. It is the truth. And let's say you want to risk only 1%. Now, it is quite an optimal number to risk on one trade, and even if you want to risk as low as that, it is quite impossible, because you have to only take really just small time frame trades, and you know that I personally prefer long-term trading or medium-term trading, and for this challenge I decided to day trade. Now, it is the hardest part for me, because day trading for me is not it isn't anything that I tried before, so I am still struggling with that part. The account is up at 26% now. The drawdown is pretty high in my opinion, but it is really tough, it turned out, to maintain a low drawdown with a $100 account. And still the drawdown and profit ratio is really good, so it is better than 1 to 2, so I don't complain, but it's an interesting journey. So it is actually very possible to trade with a small account, and as you may know, most traders blow their account entirely in the first 2 weeks to 1 month. And with this challenge that I took with this $100 conservative trading, it is a challenge where I want to prove that it is entirely possible to trade with a small account and grow it. But still, most traders will blow their accounts for first, and they won't listen to me, and they won't follow the rules that they established, nor the rules that they saw in the videos that are actually talk about true things and not scalpers and hedge, grid, martingale strategies. Most people will start with those, but after that, if you want to actually learn to trade, it is not important how much money you make with $100. You have to consider it like a learning curve. And if you can trade with $100 account, let's say you trade with that account for a year, you have a very good track record. You know what? With the track record, you can actually apply for a prop trading firm to a bigger account, like a 20,000 or 100 or $200,000 account. And if you can do the same thing that you did with that small $100 account, you will be a millionaire. So the truth is that it is a very long-term game, because all these things take years, and you have to just accept it, that you won't be rich quick. It is not a scheme or a scam or anything like that, but you have to have the willingness to trade. Now, I am, as I said, after one entire month at 26%, and in my opinion 26% plus is too much, is way too much, and it means that I take way too much risk. So in the future, with this $100 account, I have to take less risk, because the optimal growth in 1 month is somewhere between 5 to 10% in my opinion, and 26% is way too much. And if you take a look at the prop trading firms, you can see that even 10% is really high, and one in 1,000 or 10,000 people can reach that threshold and the challenge. So I hope this video series will be interesting for you and you can benefit from it. I took 49 trades, and my risk to reward ratio is well above 1:1, so that's great. And also I have a approximately 1:1 win rate, that is great as well, alongside with the well above 1:1 risk to reward ratio. So the statistics are pretty good. I would say that for a start, for that I just started this small account, and I haven't traded with neither with $100 and day trading, sort of day trading, because this is the hardest part for me to do. It is pretty good, but I have to still do better risk management and make better risk management rules for a small account like this, because as I said, even the 0.01 lot size is too high for one trade with this account, in my opinion, and based on my risk management tactics. Now I show you the statistics of the 1 month, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are curious what kind of strategy I use for this challenge, what kind of risk management system, just ask me in the comments. If you want to see more of these kind of videos, just tell me in the comments, and I will make some more detailed strategy video maybe, or risk management video that you can use to grow a small account and learn the skill to trade, and not the get rich quick scheme.